Since it's Heritage Month, me and my family celebrate heritage almost every day. And while doing it, I couldn't help but notice the picture of my late mother. I wanted to recreate it. Obviously, they were like, oh, we're tired, we want food. And I decided to just make them some Maggi noodles, which won't take so much time, just only 2 minutes. When we're done eating our Maggi noodles, we recreated the old pictures. This is me and my mother. And this is Nelisiwe and my late mother, which is her grandmother. And these are the results. This is me and Nelisiwe, and there's my mother at the back over there. And we decided to add the third generation, which is my mother, me, Nelisiwe, and Ntando. And this is how we celebrate our Heritage Month with Maggi noodles by recreating memories